Ready to dive into the ultimate showdown between the Oppo Find X9 Pro and the Honor Magic8 Pro? These flagship beasts pack insane displays, powerhouse chipsets, and mind-blowing cameras. But which one truly dominates in screen quality, raw performance, camera prowess, battery life, and special features? Will the Oppo's ultra-bright LTPO AMOLED with Dolby Vision outshine Honor's blazing 6000 nits peak brightness? Can the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip outperform MediaTek's Dimensity 9500? And when it comes to photography, does the periscope zoom or AI enhancement steal the crown? Stick around because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is the Find X9 Pro the premium all-rounder, or does the Magic 8 Pro's innovation make it the real winner? Starting with the display, the Oppo Find X9 Pro offers a slightly larger 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 1272 by 2072 resolution and a peak brightness of 3600 nits, featuring Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Meanwhile, the Honor Magic8 Pro pushes the limits with a 6.71-inch LTPO OLED, a slightly higher resolution at 1256 by 2080, but an astonishing peak brightness of 6000 nits. This means Honor's display will blow you away in direct sunlight and HDR content, making it the standout for visibility and vibrancy. Both pack 1 billion colors and 120 Hz refresh rates, but Honor's brightness advantage is the key differentiator here. Under the hood, the Honor Magic8 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with a blazing 2x4.6 GHz core setup promising top-tier performance and efficiency. Oppo's Find X9 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, which is solid but less powerful in raw CPU speed compared to the Snapdragon's cutting-edge cores. For gamers and power users, the Magic 8 Pro's Snapdragon 8 Elite with Adreno 840 GPU offers a clear edge in speed and graphics performance. When it comes to standout features, Oppo's Find X9 Pro shines with its Trinity engine for system resources, Hasselblad professional teleconverter camera, and AI eraser suite that includes Unblur and AI Portrait Glow, perfect for creative photography and smooth system animations. On the other hand, Honor's Magic 8 Pro impresses with emergency SOS via satellite for safety, a dedicated AI button for quick smart functions, and its Giant Rhino Glass for durability. Both pack unique innovations, but Oppo leans into creative imaging, while Honor emphasizes safety and resilience. The camera battle is fierce. Oppo's Find X9 Pro offers a versatile triple setup with a 50MP wide lens, an impressive 200MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultrawide. Honor Magic 8 counters with a similar 50MP wide, a 200MP periscope telephoto boasting 3.7x optical zoom, and an ultrawide with a slightly wider 122-degree field of view. Honor edges out with its higher zoom factor and ultra-wide angle, making it the go-to for detailed telephoto shots and expansive landscapes. Oppo's camera features focus heavily on professional-grade imaging, with its Hasselblad professional imaging kit, teleconverter, and magnetic flash ring light, delivering superior color accuracy and lighting control. Honor's Magic 8 Pro counters with AI Super Zoom, Seamless Zoom, and Harcourt Portrait Mode, enhancing zoom quality and portrait effects with AI-driven capture modes. Oppo's Pro imaging tools cater to photography purists, while Honor's AI features appeal to users seeking smart enhancements. Battery-wise, Oppo's Find X9 Pro packs a massive 7500 mAh silicon carbon Li-ion battery, slightly larger than Honor's 7200 mAh pack. This gives Oppo a minor edge in endurance, crucial for heavy users who demand long-lasting power for gaming, streaming, and photography sessions. Both phones are rugged, with IP68, IP69 ratings, offering dust-tight and water resistance up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, including high-pressure water jets. This makes either device a reliable companion for harsh environments, but no clear winner here as both match each other. In terms of memory, both devices offer identical configurations, options ranging from 256 gigs with 12 gigs of RAM up to 1 terabyte with 16 gigs of RAM. This parity means storage and multitasking capabilities won't be a deciding factor between these two. Price-wise, the Oppo Find X9 Pro is slightly more affordable, ranging from $750 to $950, while the Honor Magic8 Pro starts at $850. This subtle difference might sway buyers looking for flagship features without breaking the bank. So, is the extra brightness and Snapdragon power worth the higher starting price?